Kusile bogogo, kusile bomkhulu. Ngiyanibingelela namhlanje ntambama. Inkosazane yamanzi eza ngemvula, uNdaba Ezitha, uDawu yaLegaga. Ngiyanibingelela bantu abadala, siyachubeka ngesihloko samakhosi aphezulu. Sisese ku-introduction. This will be the part 3 of the introduction. Just to recap ukuthi senzeni previously. On the last discussion, we were doing astrology charts, where I've mentioned ukuthi there are 6 big signs under the astrology chart, of which are the sun, the moon, the rising, the Mercury, the Venus, and the Mars. And I've also indicated zodiac signs as per our birth, where that are divided into 4, of which are the air, the earth, and the fire and the water signs. And I've also indicated that under the air signs, that's where you get Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. And under the earth sign, that's where you'll get Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Under the fire signs, it's where you get to Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Under the water signs, that's where you get Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. So we have started with the 3 characteristics of a personality of a person under the sun and the moon and the rising. So now we are in the part 3, in the intro, where we'll put Mercury and Venus and Mars. Remember, Venus and Mercury and Mars, they fall under those astrology chart. Last sitola kona the big 6 signs, where there's a sun, moon, and rising. And then after rising, it's Mercury, and after it's Venus and Mars. So namhlanje ke sizoqala lapha i-definition eye Mercury. By the way, before siqala nje definition, please note that the Mercury was named after the Roman god. The Roman god is called Mercury. However, then definition a Mercury signs, it's how you interact and communicate with other people. So namhlanje the focus is the personality of the people, on how they interact and how they communicate with other people. I'm not gonna go back wuthi under kunabobani, I've said that, but anyway, mhlambe singasho kulaba abangabonanga part 1 no part 2 intro. Lapha ke sizoya straight ku Mercury. Ku Mercury kulasithola khona Aquarius, no Libra, no Gemini. So then sizo check ukuthi how do they interact and communicate with other people generally. So the air signs, the air Mercury signs, like khona Aquarius, no Libra, no Gemini, how they interact with people and communicate with other people. They are very calm and very collected. And actually, abantu bakhona will be your shoulder to cry on. Mauza unenking anje, they are very good. They listen. And they are collected, that maybe they will come up with the solution, and they are the shoulder to cry on. Labo bantu labo under the Mercury, the S signs under the Mercury. Abantu ongarelaya kubo, they will listen to you, and bazixoxe kahle, even if no matter how busy they were, they will be collected ukuthi bakulalele kahle. And then after, they are actually their shoulder to cry on when it comes to communications with other people. And then it says Yaguma earth signs under the Mercury. The earth signs under the Mercury, they are very fine and vibrant people, but are not afraid to tell you the truth. And remember, earth signs vele, yeah, abantu stereotype lava, I'm sorry to say it. From ngale sisayenza rising ngabo, senza moon ngabo, senza usun ngabo, abantu nje very focused. So lana ku Mercury on how they interact and communicate with other people. we get ukuthi abantu bakhona labo bantu labo abafola under the earth signs Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. That's where we get ukuthi abantu bakhona they are very fun. However, however, they are not afraid to tell you the truth, but abantu bakhona they are also vibrant people. And abangasabi lutho nje ukuthi if into wrong uzakutshela ke ukuthi ya khona ngiyakuzwa uyakhala kodwa nawo wrong bokungamelanga uyenze into so like they call it a spade abantu baku earth signs under the Mercury in terms of how they interact and communicate with other people. Then siyasuka ke manje siya ku fire signs under the Mercury. Ama-fire signs, remember, kula kuhleli khona u-Aries, kuhleli u-Leo, kuhleli u-Sagittarius. So your fire signs under the Mercury on how they interact and communicate with other people. Yeah, they tend to be judgmental, but also ambitious and optimistic when they become comfortable. Now, bona laba bantu laba vele abathanda nje nokudonsana ngempumulo bacontrolane yabo into ezinjalo izinto abazibelievayo bayazibelieve and bazokujaja ke bona ukuthi but nawe why uyenze so why how did you come up to this decision. That's why impilo yakho so bona vele nje ya a penalty into zabo or fire sign. They tend to be judgmental but also ambitious and optimistic when they become comfortable. Okay, now we're going to the water signs under Mercury. The water signs, that's where we get Pisces or Cancer or Scorpio. How do they interact and communicate with other people? Okay, the water signs under the Mercury, they often struggle with effective communications because of their emotions. Shuti mauza ukhala ufuna usizo ku Pisces, whatever obuhlungu obuzwayo ama Pisces they adopt it nabo sebaba kuleyo situation kuleso simo immediately, like they adapt everything, as I said previously, ngaloku rising nabo moon nabo sun. So if ushonelwe unenkinga endlini nabo, they feel that deeply and uthola ukuthi manje abasakhona ukukusiza ukuthi umuntu wakhona akuguide kanjani. And if uyahlukumezwa uya-abuse or iniyenzani, automatically nabo they become in that situation. Uthola ukuthi manje akusena solution abazokunika yona because of their emotions take over. So abantu be-Pisces bazwela ubuhlungu kakhulu, yonke into engathi ayisi right nje iyabahlukumeza. Umuntu makagula nabo bayagula, umuntu makakhala nabo bayakhala. So yeah, those are the signs, the behavior of people under the Mercury sign. Remember again, the definition of a Mercury is where I said is how you interact and communicate with other people. So now siyandlula ke balaleli namhlanje sieta no Venus sign. Remember we are still in the astrology chart. That means now we have done sun, we have done moon, we have done rising, we have done Mercury. Now we're going to the Venus sign. Okay, maybe before I start let me share a definition then ngapha ku Venus signs. Lana, it's where they rule your love life and language. Venus, it's all about your love life and the language that you give in your love life. Not just a language, ukuthi ukhuluma isingisi, ukhuluma Afrikaans or yenza, no. They rule your love life and language. When I say language, how you interpret your love, how you communicate with your partner, how you does things in your love life. Yayibona into enjalo. Okay. Sesiyasuka ke siya kuma signs under the Venus. Remember ngangiloko ngibuyile emuva ke ngithi kuma signs kula kuhleli khona Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. Bona ku love life yabo ke under the Venus signs. Hey, phela ngapha sibhodla kunyanga. Amen. Okay, the air signs under the Venus, they are open with their partners about everything. and bona vele they want someone to listen to them on return. So abo Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, in the love life, they are very open with their partners, and they open about everything. Abanasfoba in their partners, they share everything with their partners. However, they would like ukuthi umuntu wakhona kube umuntu obalalelayo on return, alalela, pay attention, abalalele. They just want you to listen, and then bona bazakucocela. That's how they heal in their love life, and that's how into zakho zizothanda ukuhamba kahle if you've got a partner oku S sign under the Venus. And then now we move to the earth signs under the Venus, and then kulahleli khona ke futhi o Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Bona ke ama earth sign, they seek a long-term lover or relationship, and they will do anything to make that relationship work. Akusabantu abangena baphuma. If sekangenile kuwe ama earth signs, they will ensure ukuthi whatever into ezama ukuwisa a relationship bazame ukuyiqeda. Like they will fight with all means ukuthi nje a relationship isebenze, ngoba they don't believe in kuma short-term relationship. Bona they love ama long-term relationship, ama earth sign under the Venus. Remember, the Venus, it rule your love life and your language. So bona ke ama earth signs, at least they've got a nice thing yokuthi they fight for ama relationship wabo to be stable and work, because they believe in the long relationship, and they will ensure that a relationship it works at the end of the day. And then masiya kuma fire signs under the Venus, then that's where, remember, go fire signs, that's where you get abo Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Anish. Yeah. So ama fire signs under the Venus, bona ngingathini nkosi, yeah, they want to live that splenish life. Yabona those splenish life that you get about Nicholas Spark novel. If you go and buy the Nicholas Spark novel, you'll see how Nicholas Spark abephila kanjani, the luxurious life where you got everything, awusweli nix, impilo yakho ile ishashalazini, even the relationship yakho kumele yaziwe ibe shashalazini, and ube happy, ube na yonke into, kungenama secret, kungenalutho, umhlaba wonke wazi phecelezi nge-relationship yakho. And they also adore a huge gesture of love. Yayibona njalo, bayathanda nje ukuthandwa, bayathandwa kakhulu. Yabona umuntu wakhona mawumthanda vele umenzela yonke into, umworshipha yonke into, uzozwana ke nabantu bakuma fire signs. And then now we move to the water signs under the Venus. Abantu bakhona, they nurtures their loved ones, and they may be cautious on getting into a new relationship. So ama Pisces abantu abasaba ukuba hate kakhulu, and if you are a partner approacher uthi ufuna ukumthanda or ini, uzoqala akubeke lapha in a distance, akufunde kuqala akustudy, because they are afraid of ukuba hate. Uzokubheka kubheke, however makakuthandile Pisces uzokuthanda to the extreme, because they are very, very, very intimate. Yayibona njalo, uzoba la phambi kwakhe. But if then that person disappointed, it's gonna be hard for a Pisces person to trust another person again. It's gonna be very, very, very difficult ukuthi aziphonsele emahlombe womunye umuntu. That's why most of the time ama Pisces acolela nje ukuzihlalela babodwa, yabona bazi-enjoyela impilo yabo, ngoba bayayisaba ipain nje, abantu abasaba ipain. And noma ngabe umuntu wakhona eziphonsela komunye umuntu akasamthembi because of the first love, and say shuthi the first person uma semdamage lamoshile kuba nzima ke ku Pisces ukuthi abuye futhi ahlanganise ama puzzle. So yabona most of the time nje ama relationship bayawa especially ebantwini abangabazi, like mawuvela as a stranger, most of the time nje ama Pisces bayasaba ukwenza a relationship nawe. Now we are done nge Mercury, we are done Vanis. Now we are going to the last astrology chart, of which is the Mars. And then in Mars, definition yakhona, it rules strong emotions such as desire and anger, and the way they handle conflicts. That is a Mars. Let me repeat again. The definition of a Mars, they rules strong emotions such as a desire and anger, and they also the way they handle ama conflicts wabo. So let's look at the S signs under the Mars. Okay, the S signs, how do they rule their strong emotions and anger and everything? Then ama S signs, o Aquarius, no Libra, no Gemini, bona, they are very, very, very clever, and they will do anything to get what they want, to win whatever conflict. Those are the S signs. They are very clever, and they will do anything to get what they want in order to win and handle the conflict. And then let's go to the Earth signs. Ama Earth signs, they are more practical in finding a solution and will remain extremely determined. Ama Earth signs under the Mars. Remember, ama Earth signs, clearly Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. When it comes to how they desire, I mean, how they rule their strong emotions, such as the desire and the anger, and the way they handle conflicts, bonage, they are more practical in finding a solution, and they will remain extremely determined. Sesiyaguma fire signs under the Mars. They are very passionate, and they will make their emotions known to every person in their philosophy, like around them. So I'm a fire sign bayenza inotho ukuthi bona abantu abaphambi kwabo kumele bazizwe kanjani when it comes to conflict, and they will try to win over, because remember ngale ku rising bengishilo vele ukuthi most of the time abantu abathanda ukuthi impi igcine kubona, ama views agcine kubona yonke into, and they are very sensitive. Uma esekukwatele ayenzile decision uyenzile ngawe, and akafuna ukuphikiswa, akafuna ukwenzwa yonke lento. Kahle kahle fire sign nje banenkani abantu bakhona kugcina bona into, if they believe ukuthi right vele kumele igcine bona. You won't won a conflict ke nabantu be fire signs. And ama fire signs kulehleli khona iAries, Leo, in Sagittarius. Wena ke makube une partner ye fire sign, kumele nje uzibeke kahle, yabona umuntu wakhona noma wazi ukuthi right, but ukuthi kube nepeace endlini uvele uqolise. Makhosi amakhulu. Sesiyahamba ke siya ku water signs under the Mars. Bona they are very strong in emotions and can erupt if someone upsets them. Ama water signs, as I said earlier on, ngale kubo rising, kubo moon and sun, ukuthi abantu bakhona they are very they are very emotional. However, ke ukuhandle ama conflicts, they are very good and very, very strong. And if bona say, and they know how to control their anger anyway, and they know how to handle a person on the anger, bayabekezela. Yabona abomakoti, makuthiwa makoti hamba ubekezela emendweni, those are the Pisces. Bayakhona ukubekezelela isituation noma seyengcile out of hand, but bayakhona lapho bantu lapho ukubekezela noma kunzima kanjani, bayabekezela, banenhliziyo futhi yokuqolela. They love peace esikhathini esiningi, and i-anger nama-conflicts nje izinto abangazithanda abachelelene nazo, kodwa masezi babhekile bayakhona vele ukuzihandlela very strong, and abafuni ukuthi uba upset nje, bona inkinga yabo ukuthi ungabakwatisi, ngoba mawubakwatisa they are extremely dangerous. I'm saying futhi umuntu wePisces lo muntu ongakubulala ngezandla, because most of the time they love peace, aba-avoida ukulwa, but mawumloku umtsipa angakubulala unaware because of your anger. Okay, so sicedile ke nge-astrology chart as per the birth month lapha ku zodiac signs ukuthi abantu under the earth, the air, the fire and the water. Sizikhulume zonke the big signs under the astrology chart. La ngidefine i-personality yomuntu under those big signs, where we had abantu under the sun, how they behave, under the moon, how they behave, under the rising, how they behave, under the Mercury, how they behave, and under the Mars, how they behave. So ngizoyishiya lana-ke namhlanje. I think i-intro sengiyenzile-ke ukuthi u-understand the personalities ezabantu as per the zodiac chart. Ama-zodiac chart kulaku uthola their birth months, ukuthi umuntu ozalwe ngoJanuwari ufola under Aquarius, abantu bakwa-March noma labo ma-fire aboma-water signs, abango-April kula uthola khona u-Iris, abango-August abanye bawela ngapha kuboma-fire njalo njalo, o-Virgo laba abanye-ke ama-earth signs. So lezo zinto kumele uzazi, and kumele wazi ama-characteristics wabo kuma-love life, socially, conflicts, yonke lento le. I think lokho sengichazile-ke, so kuzoba easy-ke manje ukuthi umuntu umphengulo, ngoba you first look at the person's characteristics ukuthi abantu i-behavior yabo injani under the astrology chart, then kuyoba lula-ke bantwana basekhaya. And another thing-ke engifuna, another name for i-rising, it's Luna. Maybe mina ngibhizi ngithi the lapha-ke ku-astrology chart there's rising. Another name for rising, it's Luna. So the Luna, it's also falls under those big signs under the astrology. Ma ungafuni ukuthi Luna uthi rising. So lana now we another bonus nje enganishiya nayo, there are 6 zodiac signs that have a big sixth sense. Sixth sense. Yabona bathi umuntu une sixth sense. Ya loyo muntu loyo unomlozo omkhulu, asibeke kanjalo. Uyahogela into eningi, uyizohogela azibambe zile zingakafiki nakuye. Abantu bakhona ama light sleepers, and magnento engahambi kahle automatically bayayihogela. It's either umuntu wakhona uye enyangeni umuntu akahamba enyangeni, umuntu wakhona ukubheka kayiwana abona ukuthi this person is evil ahamba lapha, ukubheka kayiwana abona ukuthi lesi isigebengu leso, ukubheka kayiwana noma umshela abona ukuthi hayi khona lo it won't work. So abantu abana the sixth sense in the zodiac signs, o-Pisces bona-ke ama-dreamy psychic. Yonke into engasiyinhle esimeni sabantu bazoyiphupha, ama-dreaming psychic, and sometimes bazoyibona. O-Pisces-ke labo, o-Pisces bane-sixth sense and bayaziphupha izinto, and mabaziphupha abazigeji zenzeka the way zingakhona esimeni sikamoya ophecelezi in the general life, noma ngabe umuntu wakhona akekho spiritual. But aba-Pisces abangekho spiritual bayabalwa, ubu-spirituality bu-broad, so abantu aba-understand leyo nto leyo. So Pisces, they are very dreamy psychic, and bane-sixth sense yokusense izinto nje through their dreams. And then i-Scorpio bona bona ke i-sixth sense yabo isebenza kuma-human lie detector. Ama-human lie detector, ama-Scorpio, i-sixth sense yabo ama-human lie detector. Angeke umtshela umuntu owu-Scorpio amanga, uyokubona nje zisuka ukuthi cha unamanga, ayikho lento oyikhulumayo, and angeke umphikise ngoba ma unamanga uyakubona. Ama-lie detector lawo ukuthi nje ma ukhuluma amanga ukubona nje usavula umlomo neyindebe ukuthi hayikhona ayikho lento oyikhulumayo, angeke futhi umphikise ngoba angeke uqamba amanga ku-Scorpio. And then sesithola i-Cancer-ke, i-Cancer the bona i-sixth sense yabo it works on the emotional oracle. Ama-Cancer-ke lawo, they are emotional oracle, like ya nabo ke baphiwe lapho ke ama-emotional oracle. Ungazifihla uzenze brave, uzenze ngathi yonke into impilo right or ini ihamba kahle, kodwa i-Cancer uzokusenza nje ukuthi khona okungahambi kahle la. And then i-Aquarius bona ke ama-future seer, ama-Aquarius ama-future seer, izinto banokuzibona eziseza zisesekude ukuthi kuzoba so kube so kube so kube so. Labo bantu most ubathola lapha ku-Aquarius, ubathola lapha ku-Aquarius. Okay, ya ngishuleko lokho kunye ukuthi ama-zodiac signs that love to fight most and ababhuli ngishilo ukuthi iLeo, i-Aries, iScorpio, iCapricorn. iCapricorn naye iyawela ngapha kuma-bullies, Scorpio naye iyawela kuma-bullies, ama-Scorpio ayawela kuma-bullies. Yeah, however iScorpio ifola under the water sign, kodwa ke inokuwela kuma-bullies, and iCapricorn nayo ifola under the earth sign, but nayo nje inaso lesifo sokuba bully kakhulu ke. Ama-bully niyabona ke, under the earth sign it's Capricorn, under the water sign is Scorpio, under the fire sign it's Leo and Aries. So ngizanishiya la namhlanje. I-astrology imnandi balaleli, imnandi astrology. Ake sinabe singabi stereotype. Amakhosi aphezulu, ingane zamakhosi abathandazi. Thandaza mntanami, isithunywa siqhuma umlozi aqhume. Ukhone futhi nokuhlaziya izinto ezemvelo. Amakhosi aphezulu wakho asebenze. Sifuna amakhosi wakho aphezulu enze njani balaleli? Asebenze. Angazi ukuthi ngishiye na namhlanje noma nisafuna ngiqhubeke. Yazi kumele senze lezi zinto lezi eniyibiza ukuthi ama live what la sizokhuluma si-interactive khona, where you'll ask questions and I'll answer. And another thing, lana ku astrology chart you must also understand your life path number. Determine ukuthi umuntu ubani, how to calculate your life path number, and how to calculate your soul age. Lezo zinto kumele nizifunde futhi. Ziningi nje izinto kumele uzenze. What is your angel number? What is your house number? Your house number is as per your month of birth. What is your house number? You must know those things. What is your angel number? You must also know that things, especially when you are gifted, or maybe when you want to manifest something, you must understand what is your angel number, so that ukhone ukukhuleka uqela izinto kuye noma uyenza ama-rituals. Even the life path number, you must know ukuthi wena life path yakho ikunamba bani. Yabona into enjalo. You must also understand what is your protection angel, ukuthi ubani. Mawuse inkingeni ukhuleka ucela ukuthi bakulwele, you must understand your protection angel ukuthi ubani. You must also understand ukuthi ufola under which planets. Yayibona into ezinjawo. And you must also understand ukuthi amakhala akusebenzelayo wena mawugqokile. Let's say you go on a date or interview or uthi mawugcoke which colors zisebenze ziblende kahle nawe ubonakala ebantwini. And nje i-astrology imnandi, izikunika nama lucky numbers, iphinde kunike nama lucky dates and days. Yayibona into ezinjalo ukuthi if maybe ufuna ukwenza izinto, ama lucky days wakho it's gonna be maybe Tuesday or Thursday. Yabona into enjalo. Ama-colors wakho akusebenzela well ukuthi ube nesithunzi mawuvele ebantwini. You must also know nabo uwathola la ku-astrology. Ayidlishiyele. Sizagcina la namhlanje bantwana basekhaya. Astrology simnandi. That was the intro part 3 astrology. Siyabonga thina kwaMaZulu emakhosini, siyabonga ondaba ezitha, oDawuya lehaha unkosazana yamanzi eza ngemvula. Until sibonane futhi. Amen. Bye bye.